So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your 3D wallpapers, the spatial wallpapers not extending themselves as it does to the normal wallpapers. Now let me just quickly show you. For example, this is the basic wallpaper that I have. Now if I simply turn the spatial feature on this one, if I simply hit this one, you'll see the wallpaper is being zoomed in. Now if I try to zoom it out, you can see it's not extending by itself. Now in order to fix it, just simply tap on this option of three dots, and here simply click on this option of extend wallpaper. Now once you do that, and now again if you zoom out, here you'll see you can easily able to zoom out the wallpaper and set it as per your convenience, and the 3D wallpaper still works. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.